What it do, gang? It's your boy Donalug. Got your girl Jay behind the camera. Today, we out here looking at this truck, Ram 3500. It's a 2015 turbo diesel.
Cummins.
For y'all, for the ones that don't know, let's look in here first. Let's look at the truck first. Look in there. Super clean.
Sunroof.
I've been trying to find me a truck so I can get back into my hot shot thing, you know. I think I found one.
They put these on top of the cars to attract people.
Huh?
The little
yeah,
stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal.
Yeah.
But it already got the gooseneck. I wouldn't have to do that. I've been looking around. I seen this one driving by, and I was like, man, let me check that out.
How much they want for it?
I think like 42,000 or something. But all right, how about the truck?
It's nice, big body.
Are you working with anyone or talking to anyone?
Nah, I just pulled up to check it out. You got the key? Can you start this?
Yeah, let me grab
It looked like it's dead. You got the battery pack, huh?
Oh, God.
I got a Tahoe for you guys. So
Oh, do you remember who you worked with?
he don't work here anymore. I forgot his name, but I
Okay.
seen him at a concert. But
You look familiar. Was it within the last 4 years?
Yeah.
talking to dude, we finna go get the key so we can start it. These diesels, 35 and up, the 25 can pull too, but the 35 and up is just more power, like easier, you know.
Less restriction.
Less.
Weight restriction.
Yeah, like you can pull more and all that. But my main thing, it really wasn't even a problem. It was just getting that gooseneck in, because I think it cost like 12 to 1500, I think, to get that installed at a dealership or whatever.
I'm gonna look it up or call around so I can insert the price in here.
But this is the main part that I was looking for, and either a 25 or a 35, because you couldn't really pull much weight with a 1500, you know. But this one, I feel like it'll be a start for me. This ain't like, oh, this, you know, it's a work truck. I get rid of the Tahoe or the Challenger. That's what y'all need to understand. When y'all trying to progress in life, or when you're trying to progress in life in general, you got to sacrifice. So I would get rid of either one or both of my cars to get a truck to make money. I'll give me a truck and a trailer. That's what I need next.
And plus, if we did get both of the cars, we got the Tahoe because it's a winter car.
Yeah.
And then we got,
You're looking for a diesel?
Yeah.
so, like, we got the Tahoe for because it's a winter car, 4-wheel drive for the snow. And then we got the Challenger, just, you know, a little sporty car here and there, but whatever. This is good enough for a all-wheel drive car, 4-wheel drive. But hold on, you guys. We'll get back into it.
This thing's freaking sweet. I'm sorry. I'll get it started. I drove it here. It started right up for me, so someone must have sent something on it.
Yeah. Do you know of any known problems with it? It's in the middle.
No, the reason why I pulled it here, I saw it across the street. I started up, not a single light on it. The shop said it checked out right through the area. Like,
How long y'all had it?
Probably 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
It wouldn't be, what I was saying though, it wouldn't be anything different if we just got this and got rid of both of them, so.
I also got a, I think a 2021 or 2022, or 2020 Ram 25. It is super nice.
Yeah. And there's not a lot. I mean, there won't be very many things you'll ever find that you can't do.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
No wonder it's just sitting freaking dead.
That's it?
Yeah. I'll bring it back with
All
another
right.
one.
But I was saying, like, if we got rid of the truck and the car, this would be a good alternative, because it's 4-wheel drive for the snow, you know, and it's pretty spacious. So like, Legend I'm not worried about it, but Legend could fit back here comfortably.
All right.
So, or the equipment. But I'm saying, if we did get rid of both cars, it would be a good
Yeah,
alternative.
of course. I feel like growing up and being a man, you need a truck. Like,
Yeah.
you never know what you need a truck for, so it's just best to have a truck. I had a truck.
And plus, like, a lot of your family be needing help moving stuff.
Yeah, all
or,
the time.
Sometimes they need
this ain't gonna be
tows.
moving for free.
Oh no,
You know how
I'm
diesel is.
just saying it's good to have a truck. I was backing up what you were saying.
I know,
But yeah, this is diesel, you guys. This ain't no little. Look at that turbo diesel, y'all. It ain't no little like gas truck.
It's black, it's clean.
Yeah, but I hear black is hard to keep clean.
I ain't worried about none of that. It's a work truck.
True.
So
I'm gonna be popping out in it. Don't even worry.
she talking about why they ain't got the thing, the little step
Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. I'm so short, so like.
You'll be alright. You better jump up in there.
Eventually, I'll have them get them on when we do get our truck.
Yeah, I was into like I want to get a Hellcat and all that, but I was like I got to do what's best to like start my business. So
Yeah.
I'll sacrifice for now and then later on.
Then you'll easily get your Hellcat.
Oh,
And your
yeah.
business will be great.
Oh yeah. So now the next thing I need, I found a couple of trailers, so we do 40-foot goosenecks. And then I was like the plus that's in the bed on it.
You wanna go, right here?
Shit.
Nope.
Nothing?
None.
No,
Nothing.
coming out.
You got the key. Nope. None. None.
You want to show it?
Better on the other side.
Here. Show it.
Right there under that little thing. They got this ZL1 Camaro over here too. If y'all don't know about these, y'all better catch up. These things are Hellcat killers. Stop playing. And it's automatic. I wish it was a stick. I'm starting to look. You see that 200 on the dash? Hold on. 200. These, ooh, look how clean it is though. Ugh. Damn. 582. I know y'all seen that. Oh, this, I don't even know what this called. But this thing clean. Push start too. Let me see. Thought it was oh, there you go. Huh? Sunroof. Alright. The back of it. The Hellcat killer.
This was my dream car.
What's that? I think they even jumping with this truck. But shouldn't all you need to do is bag up a little bit to.
Look at my. I gotta do myself a fill look. You guys see that patch? That's from my son.
Yeah, he'll slap it and knock the last patch out.
But I'm gonna fill it myself.
What else?
I'm gonna get it when we start it up. This is clean too, you guys. BMW 2015 X3. I like this. That's it. Nice. That it's not my style. It's a little bit too like I don't know, not sporty. But this is cute. You guys probably can't see in there, but yeah, that's cute. In the third row. It's real cute. I like it.
When they came and cut a sweat, took a piece of me. Living lavish
especially in our niggas.
My dad, you say your part. You say your part.
Keep that same energy when you see me. Keep telling you niggas ain't no fucking home with me. Keep testing me and I'ma have to show you, G. When I pull the chop, you know I'm about to bust a squeeze. When the leaves mercy. Keep on the cuss, sister and your brother too. Now we all going to hell, nigga, who knew? I always thought the shit was never supposed to come to this. But you crossed the line, now you with the fucking fish. Off probation, then I'm in my fucking zone now. Off the Henny, you know I got the throne now. Bust a nigga down just like the sweet. Never let a whole nigga get the best of me. Thought I was gone, now I'm back like I never left. Do his fucking chest. Trying to kill them all. They kill my fucking dog.
Dog with KB. Red shirt on. Got your shirt on.
Drink. Pass you this one behind you. Pass you the red hand. Pass you the red hand. Pass it. This so that way you don't drink. Hold on. Drink it. Bottles up. Bottles up, dude. Go to town. Go to town. Go to town. Go to town. I hang on straight alcoholics. Y'all should know this. I hang on with big drinkers.
I got murder on my mind.
No, he's a real alcoholic.
I got murder on my
Mason,
mind.
he like, fuck. Pass it one more time. Pass it one more time.
What the?
Pass it one more time.
I got fuck
Take a
it.
sip of that juice. Take a sip of that juice. Hey, down the hatch
Take
it
around
goes.
his body. It's a fucking homicide.
Jerry, you are not slick. Get your bitch ass in here. Hey, one more. Pass it one more. Pass it one more.
He like, fuck.
Jerry, one more. One more. Maybe sip. Maybe sip. Maybe sip. Maybe sip. Yeah. Get it down.
Go Marquise, we didn't see you. You ain't drinking Marquise.
Whoa. Got all my shirt.
Look at this.
Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind.
He don't throw up his face.
AK-47, back to 11 cars tonight. And all these pussy niggas crazy, trying to knock me off my time.
Drink that motherfucker. Drink that motherfucker. Hey. Boop, 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 boop. Oh. Give her a cup. Give her a cup. Give her a cup. Let's go. Sip. Give her a cup. Give her a cup. Give her a cup. Let's go. Hey. Give her a cup. Give her a cup. Give her a cup. Let's go.
Gotta get it in my house.
Hey.
Get it, that's my thing.
Hey.
Gotta get it, let it rain.
We.
AK, that's my thing.
Next.
Gotta get a clip, gotta let it rain, cause it is my thing.
Hey.
I am happy.
What I say? Hey, Keith, we put your boy on the I Don't Even Rap album. My boy going on the album too. Hey, the I Don't Even Rap album. You can get on it though. Don't fuck up the beat though.
You know what the business is.
You know y'all be cutting behind y'all white folks. I love my white people, but you gotta speed it up a little bit, gang. Speed it up. Hold up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Yeah. You're not gonna dip. I'm gonna get your ass. You're not gonna dip. Don't make me pull your hair. You feel to take a shot. Get your ass in the shot. Get out the fucking porch. Put that motherfucking fucking mouth down.
Let me get my
snake like out.
Let me go out.
Oh, go fucking bless her ass down.
Don't even worry about it. We'll bring it to you, G.
Duda.
Huh?
I want y'all to drink tonight.
I want y'all to drink tonight. What you is? You came over here for a reason.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hold this. Drink up, love you.
Oh my God, that's Casamigo. It
I'm
is.
mad at you, Kayla. You took my goddamn color. You took my damn color.
Yellow.
Yeah, made me wear some bullshit on.
What's she breed?
Herself. That's enough, goddamn.
Get that shit out of here. Hey. Go white boy. Go white boy. Go white boy. Fuck it up. 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 Go white boy. Go white boy. Go white boy. Go white boy. Get your shit white boy. Get your shit white boy. Get your shit white boy. Like this. Hey. Go white boy. Go. Hey.
twisted. Yeah, look. Look at the drunk nigga. Nigga twisted that drunk. What the nigga doing? What the nigga doing? Yeah. That nigga jigging, ain't it?
Nigga like a dick, but let it from my shit. I let that bitch slip. Hanging from the top, let that bitch slip. Hey, I'm gonna let that bitch rip. Take off your shit, run your fucking wig. Take that shit back. Hey, I'm the real.
That nigga ready to throw him in a minute.
Somebody give him a bag.
Gavin, get on. Hey, Gavin.
Why this nigga yelling like this?
Gavin, back me up. Hey, look, this is the realest rapper in the room. Hey, get on the beat, nigga.
Hey, my boy. Hey, he ain't scared. I fuck with him though. He ain't scared. That motherfucker get on the beat. Look how he's standing there.
Get my Big Mac. Bring it out, about to do it. That's a big clap. But I gotta say, it's an acapella Big Smack. About to get it, cause you know I ring out that big clap. Hey, it's my shit. Hey, big bitch, my bitch. About to get it, cause the beat came in. The big bitch.
And shade twin,
Hey, the beat came in. I had to say that.
That bitch about 300 pounds.
After what I told you, if she ain't big, my bitch, she ain't 280, she ain't a lady.
Hey, my boy low with it. Oh.
Turn out, turn out.
This is kickback, my boy. My boy kickback. What the fuck? That nigga still going. Yeah, dude. Yeah, man.
Hey, you know you be chubby. My nigga hella slim. Look. That nigga feel like Super
I
Saiyan.
see this all the time. I'm used to this. I'm used to this shit.
Feel like Super Saiyan. I see this all the time.
That white folk shit.
Hey, I'm running to the concert and stuff.
He's lit, dude. What you say?
Hey, dumbass stop. Fuck the He got the freak host and fucking head nigga got that motherfucking rodeo over in there. Yeah. Go crazy.
I've been waiting on the shot in the foot.
Give me the real Remy boy. Give me the real Remy boy. That's the freak host. You got a shower, your girl will go all night to get that bitch that shit.
Oh no, I ain't smoking. I'm drinking with you. You got me fucked up. Here, nope.
I got y'all taking off.
Hell no. He got me fucked up.
My hands up.
No, it ain't.
My hands up.
I'm gonna check this nigga up.
My hands
Good for you.
No,
No.
I'll get my
Hell
own.
no. Get your own.
I'm gonna get my Asian. Why y'all stop? you cleaning it up?
I will. I clean up the bathrooms and shit tomorrow. Nigga Pukey, wake up. Wake your game up, Puke Monster.